How's it going? It's been a minute. This video is made specifically for people who have followed the channel for a while. You're familiar with my content, the video editing, stream decks, things like that. Bit of an update, because the last video that I made on my gaming channel, I think I made one here as well, was the fact that I was moving house. And not only did that mean a complete change of my environment, my setup, and all that good stuff, but it also meant that I was going to have to take a break just for a little bit so that I could prioritize moving home and getting everything sorted here. New schools for my kids, new hospitals for my own medical stuff, and making sure that that whole transition went smoothly. And I think we're finally at a point where that transition has happened. And now I can get back into making content, but I want to do it in a different way. And this is something that I'm going to be sort of reiterating in different videos, both on this channel, my gaming channel, some of the other ones, because there's a certain way that I have been doing things that I want to change. See, over the last couple of months, I've made some really great videos that I'm super proud of, but there's some changes going on in the way that I make the content itself. For one, this studio, this office space is actually just my kitchen. My desk is tucked away in a corner because we don't have another room in the house where this is going to be able to go. So one big project this year is going to be building a whole space, a whole studio, a proper studio, not just like a little thing in the corner of a room. It's going to be the best thing I've ever made, but that's going to take time. It's going to take money. It's going to take a lot of resources. So while I do that, I'm also going to be prioritizing content that I want to make. And that's not to say I haven't enjoyed making the reviews of all the Stream Deck stuff, or the Elgato products, the Corsair products, the microphones and lights, but it's also about going back to where I began with content creation. See, I kind of fell into that trap that every content creator does, which is making content for the sake of consistency. So every single Tuesday, there needs to be a new tech video out. Every single Saturday, there needs to be a new gaming video. And nobody cares really about the schedule, but it's about appeasing the algorithm. And that in itself is a very dangerous place to put yourself in. It's great because you know what you're working towards. You know the video needs to be done by a certain day. But then what you end up doing, because this is all meant to be fun for me, it's not building a huge business or something like that. But what ends up happening is you get into this cycle of making subpar content for the sake of, I don't know what the sake is, trying to appease an algorithm, trying to chase the better views or something like that. And it doesn't work. You end up burning yourself out. You end up thinking, oh man, I got to do this, this, and this, and this by Tuesday, and it's Sunday night, and you have to work on the weekends to be able to make sure that that deadline is met, right? And it's things like that I'm not comfortable doing anymore. In this space as well, like this is the family kitchen, so it's not like I can sit here and record for 3-4 hours at a time. My family need to eat food. They need to go to the toilet. So it's like little things like that. That is now a variable that I didn't have to consider before. I can work at night, but that means I'm going to be awake for about 18 hours a day, which I don't mind necessarily, but it's pretty unhealthy. So there's all things like that I want to change. And in terms of the content itself, I want to just get back to a point where rather than scheduling this Stream Deck review for Tuesday and then after that we're going to do a headset review the following week, like I've made silly little plugins for DaVinci that let you automatically create timestamps within DaVinci rather than going to my store, HeroVision store, where you can go and use a bunch of free tools. By the way, plug. I want to be able to share that kind of stuff. I got a really cool new OBS setup where I can go onto scenes like this and I can move my cameras around. I can instantly switch to a vertical camera if that's something I want to do, or go straight to transparent in the bottom. And I can reset both instantly without having to do anything else. I can blur the screen. I can turn the camera off. I can do pretty much anything and everything I want to do. I can even add in my banner just with like a tap of a button on the Stream Deck. And it's stuff like this. Like I love this so much. And I can even just tap one little button. This is not done in editing. This is through OBS. My phone just pinged, but you get the idea. I've spent so much time making these really cool little things, and I've enjoyed that process so much. And I want to share. I want to teach people how to do things like that. But you end up with this backlog of stuff. Like right now, I've got probably 5, 6, 7 videos, I think, that I need to make because of obligations, because of people that I've just promised that I would make a video on their thing. And you end up with this backlog. So I can't make any of those OBS videos. I can't make any of those DaVinci videos in the plugin or whatever until everything else has been done. And for me as a creator, that sucks because that's the stuff I really, really want to talk about. It's the stuff that doesn't actually take that much time to show off, but I want to present it in a good way. So that does build up the time a bit. And then it gets put to the back of the backlog. I'm going to be making a couple of variations of this video because I've got a gaming channel, I've got a tech channel. I want to kind of get this message across to all audiences. But even on my gaming channel, I promised that I was going to be live streaming every single Zelda game throughout 2026. And we're only through 2 of like 20 something. And there's rumors that Twilight Princess is going to be remastered. I never played it before, so that's going to be fun to jump into. But no. Twilight Princess is getting the weird remake that people managed to hack, and then Ocarina is getting the remaster. I think that's right. But you get the idea. Like, I want to just enjoy waking up and making content again, rather than feeling sort of held to my own schedule. And this is no fault of anybody that I've worked with. It's just a case of I think I've stretched myself a little bit too thin. I'm also going to be making a bunch of new content on the official Elgato channel, talking about some of the products in slightly more professional way than me just sitting in this kind of predicament and yapping for 10-15 minutes. But like I said, I think for me, it's just a case of organizing everything, even the OBS stuff. Like, I've taken a week to sit down and just plan everything I want to do and set it all up nicely. And having a week to do something like that is like unheard of for me, just being able to sit down and set up plugins and move transitions and everything else. But yeah, I just want to get back to enjoying making content again and feeling happy in this new space, waking up and getting excited because we got a stream later on, rather than, oh, I can't do a really long stream tonight because I got this list of 20 videos that I need to get done. I think you get the idea. There's going to be some changes, going to be some shifts and transitions in the way that content is made and presented on this channel, but quality is one of the most important things for me going forward. And also I want to get back to the roots of like video editing and streamlining, productivity features with both the Stream Deck and also stuff that I've made myself, like the DaVinci tool. Even if videos are a little bit more informal like this, just sitting down and chatting, I think as long as the information is presented in a decent way, this video will probably do terribly, but I think for the most part, if the information is given in a way that is factual and informational, it doesn't really matter that much how beautiful the background is or how well everything is placed or how much B-roll we have. I think that if there's value, the people would appreciate that. That goes for everything. Tech, gaming. I just hope I can translate all the stuff that I'm passionate about into a decent piece of content for you on a regular basis. So with that said, I'm going to wrap this one up here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. It's been a pleasure making it again. This is the first video I've actually sat down and made properly since I've been at the new house. I'm going to have to edit this one up. I want to try and get it out today, which I think is Wednesday. I want to talk. I want to make some stuff. So that's my objective going forward. And I hope that over the next couple of weeks, you'll be able to see a bit of a change. And it's nice to have you along for the ride. Anyway, I love your faces. You're amazing and beautiful. And thank you for being part of this channel. I'll catch you in the next one.